time for the MF Corner on the show this afternoon. When the RBI has indicated cutting policy rates in the future, should you make the most of the situation by investing in dynamic bond funds right now? Let's find out from our expert, Dhirendra Kumar, CEO of Value Research, who joins in with the answer. Afternoon, Dhirendra. How do dynamic bond funds work, and do they represent a case for themselves in times like these when you're obviously anticipating a series of rate cuts?
When you are, firmly anticipating a rate cut, then, dynamic bond fund don't have a role. Basically, the kind of fluidity, the kind of ambiguity which we have seen, that we have anticipated a rate cut, but it did not materialize, and that has happened for nearly 1.5 years now. So that's the kind of thing which, for which the dynamic bond funds are very suited. Because most other bond fund category, they have frozen maturity range in which they operate in. The liquid funds can't invest in more than in securities of more than 60-day maturity. Likewise, the ultra short-term bond fund or short-term maturity or short-term funds, they have defined maturity. Compared to that, here is a set of fund, dynamic bond funds, they can move anywhere. They can have very long maturity going for 20 years, 15 years, or can be as low as less than a year. So they can leverage on such opportunity. So if the outlook, the interest rate outlook changes, they will be able to capitalize and keep away from it. So investors are saved of trying to time the interest, the fixed income cycle.
Dhirendra, so do these funds present a case for themselves in times like these? And which dynamic bond fund would you recommend, and why is that?
Yes, they present a compelling case for any risk-averse investor who is looking at sizable investment in fixed income, and he's a long-term investor. For that investor, yes, they present a very compelling case. The funds which I like for their more their ability to their track record of being able to capitalize on such opportunity will be SBI Dynamic Bond Fund, or IDFC the Dynamic Bond Fund, or HSBC Flexi Debt Fund. In past, they have been able to leverage on such opportunity very nicely.